Hello there. This was not expected. You see me talking in the beginning of this video because nothing went to plan when filming and editing this one. I was talking during the POV footage that you will see after these few words, but the audio from the GoPro came out horrible and I couldn't use it. So what I tried afterwards was to record my voice and do a sort of voiceover in Premiere, but that didn't sound right at all. So in the end, I scrapped the whole thing, and there's gonna be music playing in the background from Epidemic Sound while you watch all the footage from the GoPro and the pictures that I shot along the way. But today's video was all about taking advantage of harsh light and taking photos during harsh light. There's been 3 days of very hot, let's say, for UK standards, very hot weather and very harsh light as well. And the thing is that you hear many photographers talking about the golden hour and the blue hour as the best time of the day to take pictures. And while these can be true to some extent, there's no good or bad light, there's just light and the way you use it. That's what makes a good photo or a bad photo. And even though you hear this photographer talking about good light or golden hour and blue hour as the best times of the day to shoot picture, this shouldn't prevent you to go out and take pictures any time of the day, any time of the year, any weather, any light. And in fact, my street photography style takes full advantage of harsh light, and because what I look for in a scene is a clear contrast between lights and shadows. I then expose for the lights, and this blacks out everything else. So you will see in a few pictures that the scene is actually busy. There's people behind my subject, but because of the way I shoot and because of the way that I'll show you how to shoot, everything blacks out apart from my subject. This works very well in black and white, but thanks to the Fujifilm simulation, I love it, do it in color as well. In fact, pretty much all of the pictures that you will see during the video are JPEGs straight out of camera. This is how good the Fujifilm JPEGs are. The color science of Fujifilm camera is just incredible, and I haven't found the same in any other camera. I found very good details, incredible features that are not in Fujifilm cameras, but the colors of Fujifilm are just perfect. When I embraced street photography, it was actually a way to go out and shoot all day, not just golden hour and blue hour like I was doing during my landscape and cityscape photography. And it also helped that I found a very nice community of photographers here in London. And so when I started doing street photography, I wasn't on my own. I had this amazing bunch of people, of friends now, that helped me start street photography. And all I learned along the way will be part of my workshops. Now I can resume them because the lockdown is finally eased thanks to the government measures. And so there will be street photography, cityscape, landscape, architecture, travel photography workshops. And of course my one-to-one masterclass, the full immersion day dedicated masterclass. And of course the Airbnb experiences. And I'll put the links to everything in the description below, so go check those please if you want, if you're interested. And until we'll be allowed to travel again, all these classes and workshops will happen here in London, but I will add dates in the places that I'll visit as soon as I'll travel again, same as I've done in the past. So follow me, subscribe if you don't want to miss the announcement for all the classes and dates. And that's it. I'll leave you to the video. Please enjoy. See you next time.
Bye.